Hello, hi, my name is Dr. Kian from Malaysia. I'm an oral surgeon and I am the founder and director of Tooth Hap Dental Implant Center in Malaysia. And we are located at Hartamas, which is one of the modern places in Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur. The iOS is an intraoral scanner, and before the advancements of the technology, we had to use PVS impressions, we had to use jigs, and splint the implants together. So the iOS really helps us capture the soft tissue and the implant positions relating to the soft tissue, especially when we're doing full arch implant cases. FREEDOM Air has a great capturing of soft tissues even in a semi-bloody field. And at the same time, the built-in PIM scanner allows a pretty good photogrammetry of multiple implants in an edentulous arch. Previously, we'd had to take the soft tissue scans with an alginate impression after surgery and then proceed to have them scanned on a desktop. And that's a little messy with a lot of particles here and there, and the patients are not too happy about it. So the FREEDOM Air allows us to completely do this digitally. I've used photogrammetry, particularly other brands that are entirely dedicated for photogrammetry. However, with the PIM feature in FREEDOM Air, it's an integrated system that has soft tissue and at the same time the implant positions, instead of having to do photogrammetry and then doing the soft tissue scans again.